Oh, you beauty. Hola. What's wrong, my beautiful? Come here, baby, come here, come here. Baby, I will never do anything that is going to be embarrassing you. You know, because I told you before, I may not love you for the rest of your life, but I will love you for the rest of mine. What's that? You know who's your sugar daddy. Come here, baby, come here. You know, babies, you are too beautiful for me. I will never do anything that is going to harm you. You see, you are like the pupils of my eyes. Without you, my beautiful, I have no sense of direction. I have no vision. No good. But you see, with you in my life, I am able to see things through the eyes of love. Don't touch me, don't touch me. You need to try and control yourself. Yeah, who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? Yeah, give me a kiss. Hey. Keep it to yourself. Enjoy the wedding reception, baby. Gonna meet the people. Oh, so beautiful. All right. There's a beautiful lady who's come here. Hello. Hey, come and have a seat. Have a seat. Come and have a seat. So, what's your name? Rebecca. You know, Rebecca, back in New Orleans, Rebecca's mean everlasting love. It's like eternity, you know, forever. Or as we say in Samoan, forever. So, you from, where you from? San Franciscan, is it? Are you American, huh? I'm from overseas myself. Yeah. Let me tell you something, Rebecca. You know, when you was on the other side of the world, I was not believing God. But when you was crying to me, I was believing the true creator. Because only God can create such a beauty as yourself. Don't touch me. No. I know you can't help it. Pardon? My name? My name is Swavai. My name is Swavai, is short for Swavai Lelofa. In English, that means the choosers of love, the essence of love, the core of love. You know, I've never said this to anyone before, Rebecca, but you remind me of a few things that's reminding me. You see, with my eyes, I have seen the most beautiful things. With my eardrums, I have heard the most beautiful sound. With my nostrils, I have smelled the most beautiful thing, the Italian white rose Arrondacciando. And with this choosy lips, I have kissed some of the most beautiful ladies, but I have yet to kiss the most beautiful of them all. Sorry? Who? Oh, my cousin. Yeah. I'm her sponsor. Yeah. She's come from the island back in Samoa. Yeah. I'm just look after her. Yeah. But no. This lady's just talking about the geographical area of where I come from. Baby. Oh. You know, I will never do anything that is going to hurt you. You are the pupil. I done that one. You are the jam in my toes. You are... Baby, you know I love you. I want to share a song that will prove my love it to you. Please, baby, listen. Sit here, baby.